Avalanche value equivalent to $39.9977 a coin. The present exchange cost range $39.72 and $1.40.6364. The earlier day close $40.2861. The change was 0.284.79%. Converse rate ICE to Avax. Avalanche gauge for May 2024. First and foremost cost at $34.44. Exorbitant cost $42.75, while low cost $34.44. The normal for the month $37.90. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end $39.95. Change for May 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for June 2024. In the first place, cost at $39.95. Exorbitant cost $49.58, while low cost $39.95. The normal for the month $43.96. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end $46.34. Change for June 16%. Avalanche figure for July 2024. Initially cost at $46.34. Excessive cost $57.51, while low cost $46.34. The normal for the month $50.99. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end $53.75. Change for July 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for August 2024. In the first place, cost at $53.75. Exorbitant cost $58.58, while low cost $50.92. The normal for the month $54.50. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end $54.75. Change for August 19%. Avalanche gauge for September 2024. To start with, cost at $54.75. Exorbitant cost $60.93, while low cost $52.95. The normal for the month $56.39. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end $56.94. Change for September 40%. Avalanche cost expectation for October 2024. To start with, cost at $56.94. Exorbitant cost $61.17, while low cost $53.17. The normal for the month $57.11. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end $57.17. Change for October's on 4%. Avalanche figure for November 2024. Before all else, cost at $57.17. Excessive cost $62.35, while low cost $54.19. The normal for the month $58. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end $58.27. Change for November 19%. Avalanche cost expectation for December 2024. Before all else, cost at $58.27. Excessive cost $64.84, while low cost $56.36. The normal for the month $62. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end $60.60. Change for December 4%. Avalanche figure for January 2025. Before all else, cost at $60.60. Excessive cost $65.41, while low cost $56.85. The normal for the month $61,000. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end $61.13. Change for January 9%. Avalanche cost expectation for February 2025. First and foremost, cost at $61.13. Exorbitant cost $67.95, while low cost $59.06. The normal for the month $62.91. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end $63.50. Change for February 9%. Avalanche conjecture for Walk 2025. At the outset, cost at $63.50. Excessive cost $70.20, while low cost $61.02. The normal for the month $65.08. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end $65.61. Change for spring 3%. Avalanche cost expectation for April 2025. In the first place, cost at $65.61. Exorbitant cost $81.44, while low cost $65.61. The normal for the month $72.19. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end $76.11. Change for April 16%. Avalanche conjecture for May 2025. Initially cost at $76.11. Excessive cost $84.69, while low cost $73.61. The normal for the month $78.39. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end $79.15. Change for May 4%. Avalanche cost expectation for June 2025. Before all else, cost at $79.15. Excessive cost $88.08, while low cost $76.56. The normal for the month $81.53. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end $82.32. Change for June 4%. Avalanche estimate for July 2025. First and foremost cost at $82.32. Exorbitant cost $98.73, while low cost $82.32. The normal for the month $88.91. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end $92.27, change for July 12.1%. Avalanche cost expectation for August 2025. Initially cost at $92.27. Excessive cost $92.27, while low cost $77.12. The normal for the month $86.15. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end $82.92, change for August 10.1%. Avalanche conjecture for September 2025. Before all else cost at $82.92. Excessive cost $82.92, while low cost $64.77. The normal for the month $75.07. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end $69.65, change for September 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for October 2025. First and foremost cost at $69.65. Exorbitant cost $86.45, while low cost $69.65. The normal for the month $76.64. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end $80.79, change for October 16%. Avalanche conjecture for November 2025. At the outset cost at $80.79. Excessive cost $80.79, while low cost $63.11. The normal for the month $73.14. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end $67.86, change for November 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for December 2025. In the first place cost at $67.86. Exorbitant cost $67.86, while low cost $53.01. The normal for the month $61.43. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end $57 change for December 16%. Avalanche conjecture for January 2026. Before all else cost at $57,000. Excessive cost $57,000, while low cost $44.53. The normal for the month $51.60. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end $47.88, change for January 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for February 2026. In the first place cost at $47.88. Exorbitant cost $55.96, while low cost $47.88. The normal for the month $51.01. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end $52.30, change for February 9.2%. Avalanche estimate for Walk 2026. First and foremost cost at $52.30. Exorbitant cost $64.92, while low cost $52.30. The normal for the month $57.55. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end $60.67, change for spring 16%. Avalanche cost